Andrew Szeto is a hobby woodworker who lives in Wakefield, Quebec. He upcycles skateboard decks so colorful material can be used to build projects from. Due to the fact that Andrew obtains a lot of his materials by repurposing old skateboards, and he has to glue up many thin layers of those skateboards to get thicker laminations to work with, many of the objects he makes are on the smaller side. Sometimes Andrew has a need for larger panels, so he laminates many small sections of skateboard decks to produce the panels that he uses to make cabinets and other pieces of furniture. Szeto was inspired to bring his upcycling approach into his furniture design by an online skateboard maker. He said it took him 3 days to complete the lamination and sawing process to end up with enough upcycled skateboard veneer to cover the doors of this cabinet. Andrew has taught many classes at the Ottawa City Woodshop on how to make a paddle from upcycled skateboards. These classes are a huge success. Students have a lot of fun incorporating colorful skateboard patterns into a usable paddle. The Ottawa City Woodshop is also where Andrew initially learned how to work wood. Andrew's shop is in the walkout of his basement. At 200 square feet, it's not huge, but it offers a great space for building during his downtime. Not long ago, Andrew gained the confidence through all his other builds to try his hand at a structure, an A-frame cabin. The process was thoroughly enjoyable for him, and the end result was great. He also made a video of the process that ended up being viewed well over 2 million times.